Merong isang bus na matulin. Ang bus na ito ay uubod ng tulin. Para sa akin, isa lamang itong kwentong pambata. Kwento nung maliit pa ang mga anak ko kapag pinapatulog sila sa hapon or sa gabi. Ngayon, malaki na sila, gawin natin katotohanan ang bus na matulin at gumala hanggat gusto. Kasama ang buong pamilya. Dito lang yan, sa nag-iisang pinakamasaya ang Pamilya Dinandan.
What's up guys? Nandito tayo ngayon sa SM North Quezon City. Dito yung nag-gather yung mga kasamahan natin for today's para pumunta sa isang lugar na kung tawagin ay Clark, Pampanga. Ayan. Ngayon, doon tayo sa Clark, SM, Pampanga. Layo yun. Ilang oras ang biyahe. Kaya hindi natin makasamahan natin sila kayo. No? Ano kasi? Ayan. Di ba makasama natin for today? Kaya lang tayo. Kasi ito.
Mayayaman. Mayayaman sa utang. Mga 3 buwan pala silang hindi kakain ito. Para lang makita yung SB19. Kaway naman dyan. Kaway.
So, ito na nga yun guys, ang big event. Ayan o.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God,
maraming salamat sa free rides na to from SM Clark. So ayan, ito na yung entrance ng for today's Aurora Fest. Yee!
something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be.
Relatable na unahan. Ganun talaga pag matatandaan na. Gumagawa ng paraan. Ditong ako sa pinakano kasi less lang yung ingay. Ayan, kita naman. Diba? Oh, lahat, nakaupo kami dito. Oh, ha? Lahat. Sarap lang ng susot noon. Konti lang yung nakatayo. Puro nakaupo. Rock you!
Hi, my name is Alan. Alan, ayan. Ito yung sino naman inaabangan mo for today. Here for SB19. Mga 80s na. Chris Fox.
Sino dito yung nag-review ka sa exam pero bumagsak ka ba? Sa isang ilang ng bago na ikaw ang yung pag-kiss ka, baka medyo mabuhay. Yung kiss ka natin. Sino yung iwan? Listen ka. Sino yun?
Gusto kayo lahat! Ako si Pablo!
Hello po sa inyo lahat, I'm Justin. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat, ako po si Ken, Madia. Hello po sa inyo lahat, magandang gabi po.
Hello guys, paalala na lang, stay hydrated and kung kanina pa kayo dyan, so minimum po tayo ng tubig. Okay? Sana safe kayo lahat at wala akong magtuto lahat. Kaya kamusta? Kamusta ka ba? Pagod na ba? Gusto na ba? Mainit ba? Paininin mo naman! Kaya mo yan dyan! Ito na siya eh.
Mag-ingat po kayo! Maraming salamat po! Mag-ingat po kayo! Thank you so much for having us!